Jaden, carry give Papa. Jaden,
What?
there,
What?
that son.
Toy! Papa, toy!
Hello, I want to order food.
Mom! You don't need to tell me. I will give
What is that?
anything.
Hello, I want to eat what I want.
Now this is new restaurant. Mommy, I have toy. Buy something.
What is food for me?
Rồi, cơm viên đây, đi rồi.
Orange!
Jaden, carry.
Orange! There! Orange! I will get orange. I want chicken. I like chicken. Okay, go see. Oh, yeah. Oh, you. Papa. Papa, I like that. Papa, do like that.
Break
Here's
up
the
already.
chicken now. Jaden. Chicken here now. Yummy. Mommy, I have chicken. Your food is here. Where you want to sit? You can sit here. Yummy. Put your foot nicely. The other people come ready.
How much the food?
Wait first. You finish first. You want that?
Okay, I'll try. This is a lot chicken.
Chicken, yes.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you.
Yes, sister. I put ready. Pay money. Oh, you pay ready. Eat your chicken. I eat one. Then go home. Don't try to. You can play. Now you can play and wait.
Okay, I'm done. Check bin.
Aye.
Bin, please.
Let me cook some. You want that, mommy? I make something so nice.
This one got casserole.
Yeah. I make some more. Now taking people one.
You make some more. Your prawn. Vegetable.
I want to eat cookie.
Yes,
Mommy,
yes.
Mommy. Mommy, Mommy, look inside. Mommy, which one?
I want lamb stick.
This.
Yes.
Mommy, I got it. This one, yeah. Mommy, how many?
Two. I order for Jaden also.
I want put that one. I want put that. I want put that one. Okay. Mommy, put that one. Put that one. No, his birthday. You want
Okay.
put that one. This cookie, you cannot tell.
okay with that?
I put TP. I put TP in your hole. You can sleep. You can go sleep in your car.
Okay, Jaden. Just now I order food. Can you go pay money?
I buried
How much?
I prepared put on that. Any
You put
ring
black,
so
you
can.
put, you put black pepper for me already?
Later we cannot taste. I need
You
what?
can-
My apple is carrot.
โอ้ย
Carrot and butter boy. That's cooking for you. You want to eat the food with your eat your food with your sister. Eat. Cooking for what? I don't eat that. I want red pepper or sorrow. This is black pepper, that is not. That is just pepper, not spicy. This is the real one. Done. It's a little inside. How it started already up on my hand. No, you must give me